For the second problem on this second ACT practice test, what is the value of the expression x minus y squared when x is equal to 5 and y is equal to -1? So with this problem, all we have to do is just take our expression here, this quantity x minus y in parentheses, which is squared, and we need to substitute for x the value 5 and for y the value -1. So let me rewrite this expression down below. So we have x minus y within parentheses and then squared, and we know that x is equal to 5 and y is equal to -1. So in the expression, we just need to replace this x with 5, and we have to replace this y with -1. So let's do that. The x just becomes a 5, and then we have minus y, but y is -1. So I'll put that in parentheses just so that we can see that we have two minuses here. We're subtracting -1. And then the whole thing is squared. So when you're subtracting a negative number, so subtracting -1 is the same thing as adding 1. So this is equivalent to this expression here, 5 plus 1. Or in other words, 5 minus -1 is the same thing as 5 plus 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6, and then we just have to square that. And 6 squared is just 6 times 6, and 6 times 6 is 36. So 36 is our final answer, which is this choice letter K here.